agree.
Hi. Ah! Do what? Ow! Ah! Fly! Ah! Ah! That hurt. This is rough. This is fun. Wait, I want to go to the jungle. Where's the dense jungle? Well, I think I found it. Whoa! This jungle is awesome! I wonder what I can see. Woo! Wow, I like this jungle. A jungle! Yay! What is that?
What's wrong with it?
Oh no! I lost all my stuff. Ah! An explosion! Help!
Oh no!
Run to the left!
Run to the right! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh, Warren! What? Oh, Warren!
Oh, Willen, it's too Hey! Hey, where's my brother? Gold yellow? Ah!
No!
Golden yellow? Did you find them? Toss? No, I didn't.
What?
Grr, get away from my brother! No, no! Oh!
You saved my life!
You're welcome.
This is fun.
Yeah, right.
Ah!
Whelan, I know the black bear ate all our food.
It's not okay. You worked hard on the house, and now we're stuck in the forest. What will we do when it's nighttime? How long did it take to build it?
Well, wait. I think I know the reason why there was a forest fire. It was the dragon. Let's defeat her.
A dragon? Are you crazy?
Do it for your father.
Okay.
Huh? Golden yellow?
Oh, that makes sense.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Wait. Green behind you.
How dare you trespass my territory! We're just finding the dragon. Do you know where the dragon is? At the volcano in the southeast. Thanks for helping us out. And sorry for trespassing.
Yay!
Oh, okay. He gave me a map to find the dragon. This is gonna be tough. This is gonna be a tough fight. And that guard is very nice.
Alright, off.
I'm finally getting a new house.
Yeah, it's very fun. It's fun to have a new house. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to.
Wait, Whelan, look! The mountain or a cliff. I bet the dragon lives here. Is that the volcano?
I don't know. Let's climb. We got scammed.
That's not a dragon.
Oh no.
Grr. We have to climb a mountain just to be scammed.
What did he do? Regret it.
Well, that guard is a total bummer for real. I just hope he is proud of what he did. Holy, he is real bad. And a scammer.
Scammer John. I changed my mind. Run. I mean fly.
Oh, my chicken wings. Well, we're dead. Oh no.
Early, my brother.
No!